can start.
Okay, so please can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
All right. So the name of our project is Caramel's blog. It's a blog site that has to do with crafting memories, one post at a time. Um, During the course of our presentation, we'll have an introduction of the team members and our roles, the story behind this project, the various technologies that we use to build code spinet, and challenges that we overcame during the course of the program. I mean, during the course of this project. So, my partner, Chiamaka, she led us in front end development of this project, and I worked on the user interface and the back end for the project. So, while we were thinking of what to do, we we looked at um, solving problems. The problem we wanted to solve was I wanted to reach out to the audience, to users that are interested in lifestyle, interested in personal development, and just celebrations of life. So we decided to create a blog site that will provide engaging content that will just make people to be happy. So when they come across our posts, they will read about things that will make them to have inspiration and also be happy. The intention of this project is that it doesn't solve the broader challenge of getting a professional advice, because we're just going to be putting out posts about lifestyle. But if you want, say you want a counselor, the blog site is not going to offer you that advantage. And also, it is universally appealing because it's not limited to just a particular country or a particular continent. Anybody can come on the site and explore the different posts that we have. So the technologies we use React for the front end and CSS to for the layouts. We use Figma for the UI, MongoDB for the database as well, and Node.js. So this was the UI that we came up with for the login page, and for the main site where you can create a post, you can log in and you can. This is the home page. So if you want to create a post, you can just write your post and then click on create post. Then you have your post created. So the challenges that we came across during the course of this project was that we had electricity challenge. Sometimes we did not have lights and we had to hold on till our battery was charged. Um, Generating a responsive design for the project was also something that gave us a tough time creating a mock-up. We also experienced technical issues in terms of thinking of what technologies to use for the front end and also the back end, and having to learn those technologies in a short period of time to be able to come up and do this project. Then team collaboration, because we were working online, so setting a time frame to actually meet and discuss what we have been doing on our different ends, and also deploying the website. We had to learn how to deploy a website using Vessel app. So the partner will take it up from here. So
So hi, for the coding part, this is like the base, the root page for the React app. This is it renders the what's it called? This is the part that renders the home page. This is just like the index.html part of the introductory, or should I call it the entry part of the front end app. Then we are trying to like highlight the two main parts of the code. The index.html part is the entry part of the code, and then this part is the part that starts the server and renders it on port 3000. It depends on if you have the port set in your environmental variable, you can just use the process.env.port. Aside that, we set it to a fallback of 3000. So once you start the app, you npm install and you npm start, you would see the message on the console that the app is running on the ports that you decided to use. Then can you go to the next slide, please? Okay. So for this part is just highlighting the create function for for the blog. I think this part of the code does the handles the creation of the post. You would include the title has a separate input and the content has a separate input. So in a case where the title is empty or the content is empty, you would see the error that says title is required or the content is required. Aside that, the post like waits. We also have the update function, we have the delete function, we have the login. One thing we didn't do was the sign up page because we're emphasizing on the fact that it's like a personal blog. So what we did for security purpose was to use like a private password kind of that maybe you can change every week or two to strengthen the security of the app. So once the admin has the login password, can always log in and update and create and delete the app. But then if you are just a user that is randomly scrolling, you won't have that option of updating and delete. You just come to view what's posted on the page. Then can you go to the next page? Okay. So this part is just handling the connection to the database where you put the MongoDB URI and then the routing to whichever endpoint you want to make the call to. Can you go to the next page? Okay, so at the end of the day, this was the final look of the app, although we still plan on making improvements on our own for personal purpose. Then the next page shows what the login looks like. This is the final login we're able to come up with. So that is that. Voila. Are we going to do a demo of the app, like to show
Yes,
how it
please.
works? Okay.
Nice work, guys. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what like a random user sees once they enter the home URL and they click on once they paste the URL and then they click on enter. If you're an admin, if you want to create a blog post or you want to log in, it will take you to the login page and then you enter whichever name you are trying to use to log in as, and then the general password is set on the general password is set by the main admin, and then it is given to anybody that is the admin that can be able to post and modify something on the page. Sorry, I'm trying to enter the password. Oh, I might be having connectivity issues.
It's okay.
Okay, yeah. So we added the notification for when a user is successfully logged in and when a user is successfully logged out. So this part handles the title creation. Let's say creating a blog post for my demo. So we also had the option of, modifying. Basically, we focused on just the HTML part. So if you want to modify the text to look bigger in size, if you want to make it bold, the same way the text editor works for Microsoft Word, that's just basically what we implemented here. And then when you click on the create post, you will see creating a blog is created. It will take you to the home page where you will see everything. And as the admin, once you are logged in, you can have the option of updating the app, and then also deleting the app. Post has been deleted. Okay. Then aside that, you can just click on log out, and then all of the updates, delete, edit features will be removed. So that is all
Nice.
it is about the app.
Nice. Good job. This is
Thank
nice
you.
work. Nice work,
Thank
guys.
you.
I should be proud. This is a really nice work. Let's share someone. Okay. I don't have like question, but you guys did a really nice job. I think when you're gonna like enter specialization, you can do more awesome stuff.
Yeah.
You already did like the database, back end, front end. So that's amazing.
Thank
Um,
you.
I will score you guys 100 because that was awesome and you deserve it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
Good job. Nice work.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
You
Thank
guys
you very
awesome. You
much.
guys
Thank
awesome.
you.
Keep going. You got this. Keep.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye. Bye. See you next
Bye.
time. Bye.
Oh my goodness. So please, we will be getting the recordings for this presentation.
I can send it to you in Discord,
All right.
and
Thank you
you can
so much.
upload it. You can do what you want. You can save it as a memory. You should be proud.
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry, I have a question. Do you have
Yes,
like a YouTube app where you like teach or
I
you
do have a YouTube channel, but
for
like,
programming, or it's just a general YouTube channel?
yeah, it's kind of for programming. Like I post builds or some useful video that might help someone in
Oh,
Alex or in general.
okay.
I can send you
Is
the
it
link.
possible to like attach it to the message maybe when you're sending the recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, have a beautiful day. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.